this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up Yoast SEO for your WordPress site to improve search engine visibility. First, install and activate the Yoast SEO plugin. From your dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New, search for Yoast SEO, install and activate. You will now see a new SEO menu in your sidebar. Next, run the configuration wizard under SEO in general. Follow the steps to define your site type, add your social media profiles, and choose which pages or posts should be indexed. If you have multiple authors, decide whether to index author archives to avoid duplicate content. Optionally, enable analytics for extra insights. Once done, you are ready to optimize individual posts and pages. Scroll to the Yoast SEO box under your editor, set your focus key phrase, edit your SEO title and meta description, and follow Yoast's readability and SEO suggestions. And that's it. With this setup, your WordPress site is ready for SEO success. Keep optimizing your content and watch your search rankings improve.